The cooperativism is the best way to solve common problems, and its growth is the result of the union of its members who share the same ideals. Under this motto, 79 farmers founded Coamo Agroindustrial Cooperativa in 28th of November in 1970. Today, Coamo has more than 25,000 members in the states of Paraná, Santa Catarina, and Mato Grosso do Sul, which totalize more than 3 million hectares of crops cultivated and a production of more than 5 million tons of grain. With over 100 storage units to receive the production, Coamo is responsible for 3.5% of the national production of grains and fiber. Coamo is Paraná's largest exporting company, and it is among the 40 largest in the country. With a global revenue of about 7.15 billion reais, Coamo is positioned among the top 100 companies in Brazil. In order to transport all the goods received and manufactured, Coamo has its own fleet of more than 600 lorries and trucks. When the harvesting period starts, hiring partner fleet companies is needed, and the total fleet exceeds 1.5 thousand vehicles running daily. Coamo's industries include soybean crush facilities, soybean oil refining and bottling, vegetable fat manufacturing, margarine production, wheat industrialization, coffee roasting, and cotton yarns. Coamo's total processing capacity is over 6,000 tons per day. This industry not only produces brands and crude soybean oil, but also produces food with Coamo's well-known brand such as Prime, Aniela, and Solus, which are made up of refined soybean oil, margarine, vegetable fat, roasted and grinded coffee, and wheat flour. All the exporting are performed throughout its own port terminal located in Paranaguá, in Paraná, and in São Francisco do Sul, in Santa Catarina. The port terminal of Paranaguá has a loading capacity of 3,000 tons per hour and storage capacity of 180,000 tons. Coamo is present in both local and international markets. The trades are performed via CIF, and it has an operational support from its own offshore branch, the Coamo International AVV. To well assist its cooperative members, Coamo has 5,900 employees and a monthly average of 1.5 thousand outsourced workers. Coamo's specialist staff members are made up of 230 people that are divided in veterinaries and agronomists. Specific projects are developed in order to improve the cooperative members' technical knowledge, seeking to increase their income by applying the latest technologies and knowledge to their crops. The Coamo training program for cooperative young leaders, with scheduled classes for the whole year, provides these adolescents with knowledge and training in cooperativism, leadership, planning, and business management. For the women members, including wives and daughters, Coamo promotes cooking classes, craftwork lessons, and personal budgeting, which provides social development and networking among the families of the participants. The experimental farm is a real-life condition and open-air laboratory that Coamo maintains to test and apply new technologies and to show its members. Every year, Coamo promotes the field day at this facility to demonstrate the members all the new technology and techniques that has been developed, so they can use that knowledge back home and apply to their crops. For fuel energy purpose, Coamo has its own reforestation area of almost 4,000 hectares. These reserve is capable of supplying all units and the Campo Mourão Industrial Park. Coamo has been noticed as one of the largest companies in the country regarding the seeds production, with more than 1.8 million sacks a year, split between soybeans, wheat, and oats. Coamo seeds are all auto-certified with high vigor and germination rates, and its results are assessed in its modern laboratory analysis, which ensures tranquility to all its members. Coamo provides its members with all the agricultural inputs required to a proper care of the crops at the right moment, and the quality is secured by the tests that are performed in the experimental farm. The Cooperative Members Integration Program is performed in all communities where Coamo has a branch or office. Every 2 years, a football cup called Copa Coamo is promoted, with an average participation of 450 teams involving more than 30,000 people among members, family, and the community. In order to give financial assistance and agricultural development, it was created in 1989 the Credi Coamo Crédito Rural Cooperativa with a net worth of 225 million reais and 1 billion reais in assets. Credi Coamo performs the policy to circulate in the same sector the financial resources it generates. The Via Solus insurance broker, a company that was created with Coamo's exclusive capital, holds a fundamental role to fund insurance of all sectors in partnership with the biggest and the best insurance companies in the country. Within Coamo's principles and philosophy to well assist its members, Via Solus has generated substantial savings to the membership in the protection of their assets. Due to its relevant services rendered to the national agriculture and for the contribution to the development of the business activities of the country, Coamo has been awarded by agencies and entities linked to many sectors of our economy. This is Coamo, a result of a successful union and the solidarity of its associates. In order to achieve a better outcome, the cooperates unite their efforts with high professionalism and social integration. Furthermore, due to its high financial returns of its investments and the elevated return rates associated with high-skilled staff members, Coamo can ensure incomes and promote high quality of life to its staff members. Coamo, working as a family to build a better nation.